Omoji PTA 1,000.
Me ba to ya PTA 1,000 cedis. And watching so no, you say obetuya 500 cedis for a year classes every term. Wesley girls. Way sama Mr. A year KA network. I never to our TikTok watch us and eba. Echo school Wesley girls. Now you see the money to ya 500 cedis every month. Sorry, every month for a year can I say classes 1,000 cedis so for PTA. Ebusuya young bone room ni a year audio no embra.
What's it then? What's it about? Can't you saying?
Okay, so Senate me braba intino by me and okay. Normally no what happens they say BBA ni ana a cinema so na catch me sometimes me anta some more emails na dia you know you communicate so last week me hona ne ma me friend say oh ya send mail say omumra PTA intino I don't know coffee akwala na chinti no be fast no dey coffee akwara na oba ba abi school so I can omo be call manim a be wi omo be wi next year April and omo be wi school.
Okay, into no it's here no form 3, right?
Yes, it's here form 3, yeah. Okay. Okoye no PTA ndi be sia ne say omo ji PTA 1,000 na nkwala no so wo ho no omo de nkwala na start classes no every month bia no 500 Ghana. It you know omo di kan aye classes ni bia ma na twam parents ne kra anya aware no say omutua 500 ansana month year yesimu so 500 it you already no na say nkwala ne de ka 500 do machi dada this month is what abeka ho ansana PTA no so abeka ho e just say ankwala de ka 2,000 sisi e wa untua no ena until say omo be wie school no every month bia 500 say akwala na ntua o wie school no be generate results so be clear sa aka ni na ansana akwala na sabe kan results.
Wow.
Yes, that is what the idea is. No, that is currently no idea happening with various schools. No. You see, idea almost charge ya almost mean who almost through. Unse for the time na teachers for unse no almost through. Into no more year cry no more year no word tree. Now they are not Emma out. You see, idea they are bold to come out and you know almost who say obedient me no more. Yeah.
Whew. Wow. Okay. All right. I think say that's some way there say you engage because enyama bebre ekoso. Utie sika ye bobo so na de ade a. It's serious. All of us are there to aban and aden na wo for no mon kasa. Ana amani awu.
Wani wu abele no wakasa be.
Sana de na ko you see ana say omo ntimi complain because omo unse isi akwa say wa obetumi no na waye wa untumi na waka wanu atum.
Hey,
yeah za na ko you know I so for Robert
omo na omo gidigidi. Dodo na na jeje omo gidigidi. Na unu abe ade amahama government na ye no. Adukwanti asese obeti we owo ayi Ashanti region.
Omo ni tip payment so say obetumi atua school fees no. Enti ma ayi na na akufo adan ba ne nye enti aba what payment so what could ya na we
Abe
yeah. Okay.
Adukwanti asa Ashanti region ni amani dey ewo Boga any you know. The main reason is say you see oba no one thing na edi omunya pa feeding. So one what take the number of borders so. And you see that those double track schools now also were year free no because he wants to satisfy the private school say because the private school become home my no. Enti and those double track schools because if a double track school if any per 1,000 now what you about 500 those 500 students where are they going to?
Abusuante no odua ana video kokotie yi eye papa bi ane din edi KA network a edi on use social media so ande oba TikTok obekire mu say ne ba ko school e wo Wesley girls na ne ba ne school no okono amko PTA na say so mutua PTA of 1000 cedis ene wachi no ombetua 500 cedis every month to send the bani baby ko ba no form 2 or form 3 so ombetua kopem se ne ba no ebe wie school kompeta ne ba ne be wie school no this is the amount of money a omu betua eyezu no ma jiso comment section ni mu say eyeza eyezu no ma jo comment section ni mu say eyeza sa wo kai dia wo fo mo kan ye no ye betimi atua ena ye adwuma nko ade betimi atua ende sama ha ma ba so aba sa wo ye adwuma ana adwuma no nya bi unya bi ya on unya adwuma ye unya adwuma ubenya adwuma nso aye wai ubenya aye me say aka John Bosco Idi Amin udi ne ho agra agro be diu John Bosco na be di ne ho agro na kire say wentin na mo headmasters any teachers no every the boy obetwa PTA no emu no obe ni PA parent association be yi mu teachers ni free mu no na mo buo fom ho because who gi PTA 1000 cedis for what 1000 cedis for PTA for what na every month 100 classes to 500 cedis like I don't understand the free education anyway and I way for because I cover the free education is in a net here. Yes, I cover the free education, no. It was far better than what we are seeing today. Far better. Far better than what we are seeing today. But Ghanaians, go for be a swording. To the beer was so much baby can Sunday is wedding. It's your answer. Chile because Caribbean Sunday is wedding. It's your answer. Any yen. Any yen. And it's a blame. Any yenne ye blame ebusuya. So ebusuya ha ye Ghana Nsem TV. Mame hu wadwe nkyere no e wo comment section no emu. Me da asizo nya ntoko ase na wo hwe ye.
Fine. In bisa kra mantam. Fine, mantam. Na so mantam a ye hwe de be ye no. Na nsa na school na nkasa so a prescribe na dia obeto. Ni oba kotua. So ati ase. Sisi ama end ma spend be say 4000. By school me nwie yo. Eso school no so dia be say 1002. Edi se me kokotua.
Ebusuamene wo ka say dia Felix Ofosu kwa chese yan kantre John Dramani Mahama say eyo no aban no oteso no responsibility so be fight galam say enwu hia so be ka kire opposition government and say Ghana for so be boa na yan fight galam say asemo a ode to dwa no enie.
You see, when Professor Enin and my brother here Kofi say that we should take politics out of this, I don't know exactly what they mean. So merely because I'm a politician, I belong to the NDC. When I see clear wrongdoing on the part of the government of the day, the government that people have voted for, entrusted with power and authority and the resources of this country, I see them fail at what I believe to be a relatively straightforward issue in dealing with illegal mining. Actually,
you accuse the NPP of making the fight difficult.
But absolutely, but is that not what has happened?
Come in and you also go on campaigns and you make it difficult for them to fight it.
There's nothing I can see that can make this fight difficult for the president of Ghana, the government of Ghana, if he wants to deal with it. So I don't understand Dr. Enin's concern. You see, and that kind of commentary is what enables the impunity that we are seeing. Because the government of the day, that should be called out, singled out for blame, then takes cover under collectivity. Something, those of us sitting here, in what way can we stop Galamsey beyond the public commentary you are running? Who has the resources? Why? We have a 15,000 strong army, an almost 40,000 strong police service, and other quasi-security agencies. You are telling me that a state like ours cannot wage a relentless battle against some miscreants destroying our environment and win it? The reason we are not able to do so is that this government is actively participating in the loot. And people like Professor Enin and my brother should acknowledge that. We have been in power before. When we're in power, whatever responsibility there was to dealing with this was squarely ours. You can accuse us of not being able to carry through with the fight. It will be a valid criticism. But the moment another party takes over and they form government, it becomes their responsibility, unless you have evidence that even as they are making genuine efforts to address it, we are in any way, shape, or form acting illegally to undermine them. And we are not doing so.
Okay.
So I don't accept that collective responsibility narrative.
All right, Ebusuanti nipa amote ne nka no Felix Ofosu Kwache. Oye MP Zansu ye minister in charge of the government communication on the down no say aban a yato abade ama no uwa aban mu no 2 million nyina shawons, and it's your responsibility to fight illegal mining if so person will fight here. Na so one person will fight na kire se mo ankasa no mo ka ho amoye bi. I don't know Felix Ofosu Kwache person kire se NDC aban so montimi declare state of emergency ni ade ne nyina ne kire se NDC for no and the digalamse anymore omo no mutu pa according to Felix Ofosu Kwache nsam na there's a busunya odi to dwa no. I don't know we just a little reminder the NDC for no nyina say NDC aban no galamse no ntina according to Felix Ofosu Kwache no omo ntimi en stop galamse a ekoso no. Ya fẹ́ be say sarcasm eno ene ye de adwuma.